Hello everyone, today I'm starting unit 14.14, lesson 14.2 for math learner book for grade 3, page number 230. Let's start timetables. Timetables are very useful when you wish to plan a journey, go on a holiday, or meet your friends. It, if you travel by bus, by train, or by plane, timetables tell you when the bus, plane, or train leaves and when it arrives. So let's start. You can see here a work example in which you can see the timetable of a class of a day. Math, the time start, the first lesson start from 9 to 10, then 10 to 10:45, then 11, 11:30. So different time, the period timetable for the day, the period for first period, second period science, third period art, and so on. So what time does the art lesson? You can see the art lesson. It's the time 11 and 11:30 a.m. in the morning, start and end. And music lesson end at 12:30 p.m. So these are answer for example. Let's start exercise. Exercise 14.2. Use the timetable to answer the questions. We can see here bus stops for different buses, bus 1 and bus 2, bus 3 and bus 4. So we can see a different timing for buses. What time does bus 2 arrive at Altashwe? So where is Altashwe? Bus 2 this one and Altashwe this one. So bus 2 arrive at Altashwe 8:50. So we can write here 8:50. Sarah lives at Orange Street. She gets the bus at 8:15. What time does she arrive at school? What time she arrive at school? So 8:15. It's the bus 3, I think. And the time she arrive school 8:45. Yes. So it's 8:45. So Sarah leave Orange Street. This is Orange Street. It's mean 8:15. And when she arrive at 8:45. So we write here 8:45. Razan lives at Baker Avenue. He needs to get to school by 8:30. What bus could he catch to arrive in school? So the time is 8:30. So this one 8:45 useless. So we have remaining bus 1 and bus 2. Bus 1 starting time 8:22 and this one 8:19. So this one come before the time of school. The time of school 8:30. So bus 1 and bus 2 is the best option. Bus 1 and bus 2. Razan is traveling home from school. He says that this timetable is not helpful. Is he correct? Explain your answer. Why from why from he says that this timetable is not helpful. Why? Razan is traveling home from school. So where is school and where is home? Obviously, it's he's correct. Why? Because this timetable show the bus traveling in one direction, mean not return back. It doesn't give information about the buses traveling in the opposite direction from school to home. You can see here, this is the timetable for leaving the bus. There is no timetable. Let's go back to the home. So he's correct. If you want to write an explanation, it's a little bit longer. So actually, this timetable shows the bus traveling in one direction only. So it doesn't give information about the buses traveling in the opposite direction. So that's why. Question number two. Here is a part of a train timetable. Different trains. So the timetable for destination. A train leaves Bridgeville at 10:43. What time does it arrive at downtown? So 10:43, the leaving time. So it's mean which train? Train 3. So what does arrive at downtown? It's 11:43. A train leaves Blue City at 2:46. Blue City at 2:46 in train 6. What time does it get to the central town? 2:46 and then 2:58. Which train do not stop at downtown? Where is downtown? Bus 2. It's the train 2 not stop and train 6. So train 2 and 6 is not stop at downtown. Train 2 and train 6 are not stopping at stop. What time does the train leaves from Blue City to get the central town? At 11:58. 11:58. So we find 11:38. So it is a train 4. So what time does the train leave from Blue City? So it's 11:25. Train 4 leave 11:25 Blue City and arrive Central Town 11:30. So we're right here. 11:25. What time does the train leaves from Bright Civils to arrive at Central Town at 8:31? 8:31. So the time is 8:01. Train 1, it's leave 8:01. So it will arrive at Central Town 8:31. So this is the bus train 1. Let's move to the next page. Think like a mathematician. You're going to make your own timetable. You can use the empty timetable below, or you can draw your own on a separate piece of paper. First, think about what lesson you have today. This you can do by yourself. Like you will write your own a timetable for the school, which time you have class 1, class 2, and something like this. Or if you want to write the timetable for the exam, you will make it. So the timetable is different. You can draw in this row and column or in this table. Like this, we used to finish unit 14.2, lesson 14.2. Next time we will start 14.3.